Hey Brandon, it's Max. Thanks for talking on the phone with me earlier and let me send you over this video. So let's jump right into it. So the general gist here is to rank in Google for select key terms that are being searched by your consumers every month. And I know that these specific key terms are being searched because I use this software called Ahrefs, and it shows me that there's 150 searches just in these two, few keywords, but then there's also another set that equate about 250 total searches every month for roofers in New Orleans. And I'm going to be showing you the three main things that you can do to your website to start ranking in there. And I'm going to compare it to the guy that's already ranking there, Shiflett Roofing, just to kind of show you how easy it would be to outrank them. Okay. So the first thing is content on your homepage. So if we copy everything that you see here, including what these images are and what they're saved as, and just everything that you see here, and we throw it into this word counter, there's 171 words on your homepage. Comparably, if we do Shiflett, we copy all of their stuff, and then we throw it into this word counter, there's 891 words on their homepage. Okay. Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and they would want these specific key terms on your homepage as well. So I know you have 171, so if you got that up to about 1,500 to 2,000 and you had those specific keywords on there, then you would start to rank for specific terms that your consumers are searching for. Okay, and the reason that Google wants you to have that much content is because they kind of view it as you're contributing towards their big net of what Google is. And so, if you have 1,500 to 2,000, you're going to have about double the amount as your competition. You're going to be able to have room to put these specific key terms in there, and Google's really going to like it. Okay, so that's the first thing, is content. The second thing is backlinks. And really what a backlink is just one website linking to your website, which passes power and relevance. So if we copy this URL and throw it into Ahrefs, it shows me that you have a really, really good health rating here. And that's because this is a Google website, and so it's owned by Google. So of course they trust it quite a bit. And that's what this number here is the trust flow. However, you have zero data coming in on the back end of your website. So you have no backlinks whatsoever. Comparably, if we take Shiflett, use their URL, throw them in there, they have 72 backlinks coming from 26 different websites. And as you can see, Google doesn't really trust the links that are coming in from them, but they do have quite a bit of links, so they have to give them some credit. But if you came in and got some really, just pure and authentic links, you could easily outrank them, okay, on your back end and with the content. So just in case you're not 100% sure what I'm talking about here, this is kind of an example of a, like a link, a backlink. This links to your website, to the back end. However, this is a temporary no-follow link, so it's not actually passing power because it's just on this search engine. If you had a link like this that went to your homepage and it was on a home improvement blog or a New Orleans blog, then that's going to make your website on the back end a lot more relevant to these search terms. Okay. The third and final thing that I'm going to show you is actually a type of backlink, and it has everything to do with this Google My Business page here. And so what they are is citations. And what a citation is the business's name, address, and phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, such as like Yelp or BBB or Facebook. And you want those citations to match exactly what your Google My Business says. So if it's typed out like this with the parentheses, you want that exactly on there. This just makes Google realize that you are a real business and that you have an address and a phone number, and so you're really verified elsewhere. And so then your Google My Business page is going to start to become more relevant for these search terms as well. Okay. And the reason why this is so important is because 80% of the 250 people that are searching for New Orleans roofers are on a mobile device, and so they're going to see this first, and it's going to be connected to their apps and their phone, and it'll make it a lot easier for them to call you. But also comparably, this map pack gets about 25% more clicks compared to these organic listings down here. Okay. Of course, though, this organic listing is also like just as equally valuable, and I'll just do some simple math to help you out here. If there's 250 people searching every month for New Orleans roofers, and you're only down here on this organic listing, you're still going to get about 30% of those to click on your website, and it's still 75 people on your website every month. Okay. And then let's say that 40% of them actually give you a call or enter in their information on the lead form on your page. That's still 30 new leads and calls every month coming from just ranking right there in this organic listing. Okay. So I can let you do the rest of the math, multiply that by your close rate and then what your average job profit is, and you can see quite a bit of money flowing in from just ranking here in this organic listing here. So I hope that this was worth your time and informative for you. Again, all that I ask in return is just a little bit of feedback. You can reply to this email or give me a call or a text at 850-838-6092. And I appreciate it, Brandon. Bye-bye.